Your phone rings. You hear your child screaming your name. The voice is perfect, every word, every breath. But it might not be them. Tonight, AI kidnappers are hijacking real family voices to run virtual kidnapping scams, and it's already happening in the real world. In one real case, a mom almost wired $50,000 after hearing what sounded exactly like her daughter crying on the phone. Good evening. This is a digital moral special report on AI kidnapping scams, and how to protect your family. Scammers are now using AI voice cloning to fake a kidnapping, fake a ransom call, and fake your loved one's voice in real time, just long enough to make you panic and pay. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how this scam works, and 3 simple rules you can set up tonight to shut it down. Here's how investigators say it happens. Step 1. They steal your voice. They don't need a Hollywood studio, they need 10 seconds of you talking on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or your child laughing on a public video. Step 2. They clone your voice. With off-the-shelf AI tools, they feed in that clip and generate a voice model that sounds like you, or your child, saying anything they type. Step 3. They weaponize it in a ransom call. They call a parent or partner, play screams in the background, and mix in the cloned voice begging for help. They keep you on the line, they tell you not to call the police, and they demand money fast, before you have time to think. This isn't sci-fi. It's already in the code. So what can you do tonight to stop this? Rule number 1. Create a family code word. Pick one secret word or phrase only your close family knows. If you ever get a kidnapping call, calmly ask for the code word. If they can't say it, you hang up. Rule number 2, hang up and call back. These scammers survive on panic and speed. They need you scared, and they need you trapped on that call. Instead, end the call. Then immediately call your loved one back using the number saved in your phone, or call another family member to confirm where they are. Rule number 3, lock down your voice online. Make long talking videos, especially of kids, more private. Turn off public voice notes where you can. And talk to grandparents and older relatives, ask them not to post long, public voice messages where anyone can download their audio. If you're a parent, have this conversation with your family tonight. If you're a grandparent, write these 3 rules on a note and keep it next to your phone. AI isn't going away. But your fear is the one thing you can't afford to leave unprotected. On this channel, we expose the scams, the systems, and the people using AI against you, before they hit your family. We expose the code they don't want you to read. Subscribe to see the next leak. And share this report with one person who would panic if they got that call. Their best defense might be the video you send them tonight.